Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to another episode. So this episode is going to be a little different. I am trying out a new series. Mom is here in town in Chennai, so I thought, okay, let's create some interesting content, fun content. So the first episode, this is going to be more like a review of certain food items. After I got married and moved to Chennai, the main and the most important issue has been deciding what to cook for the next day morning for breakfast. And I kept searching for most of the time ready to eat items and stuff, and I came across this particular brand which sells ready to eat chutney powders, and this has been an amazing find. So I thought I will share it with you guys and review it. Mom doesn't know how these taste, so in the end of the video we're gonna ask her to review these, probably a taste test, and see what she feels like. Will she accept this generation's new finds, or will she prefer the old school the process of making chutneys from scratch? So first I'm going to just show you what are the different flavors that we have got here, and this product, what they do, what they sell. This is in no way a sponsored one. If you're following me on Instagram, I had shared about this brand already, I think a month ago when I first discovered it. I have not seen this in Bangalore. I think there was a similar one, but that was more like a paste kind of a thing. This is like a powder. So I'll tell you more about this product in the later part of the video. So just wanted to let you know this is not sponsored. I will also tell you about the cost, how it is, what is the pricing and everything. So let's get to begin with. I'm going to introduce you to this brand, what exactly this product is. So this brand is called Chutney 5. And the main concept here is basically this box contains ready to eat chutney powders, and this comes in a packet of 30 grams. So this is like a dry powder. So basically it's a dry powder. It's not a paste. It's not it's not ready to eat literally. So it's a dry powder, and so the quantity is 30 grams, and all you need to do is add some water to this powder, and your chutney is ready to eat. Like you can literally eat it with dosa, idli, or whatever you prefer it with. So this is about the product, and it says it has 0% added preservatives, additives or colors, and it is also vegan friendly. So if any of you guys are vegan out there, then you definitely need to check it out. So this one here is mint chutney, and that's the first flavor. This is tomato, and this here we have peanut chutney, and the last flavor of chutney that we have ordered is coriander chutney. So all of these are are of the same quantity, 30 grams. And this is something unique. This is sambar also. They have sambar. I have not tried this before. This is 25 grams. So all of these are 30 grams, I think. Yeah, all of these are 30 grams, and the sambar is 25 grams. It says Tamil Nadu style all-time favorite. This is also vegan friendly. And yes, 100% plant-based, travel friendly as well. So if you're traveling somewhere, I think you can carry it, and you can on the go if you're looking for something. I think this is a perfect thing to carry. So yeah, this is about the product. Now let's get started. Let's open it and see what is inside. Out of these, I have already tried the peanut, tomato and the mint. I have not tried the coriander. Last time I think we had ordered coconut as well. They have coconut also, but today I couldn't find it. I ordered it from Big Basket. I couldn't find it on any other site. I think they sell it in supermarkets, but online I only found it on Big Basket, apart from their own website. I think they have a website where you can go and place the order. Apart from that, I ordered these from Big Basket. This is in Chennai. But in Bangalore, I did not find it on Big Basket either. So yeah. So the packaging looks something like this. So this is how it comes in. I think it's properly sealed, and it's a powder inside, and you can just peel it like this and you can use it. So this is what how it comes in. I think all of the packets are the same. So we have a special guest today. Like I said earlier, we're going to make mom taste these chutney powder, and let's see her review, what she has to say. So gottala entadu
chutney
ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಪೌಡರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪೌಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೀನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.
ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ? ಪೀನಟ್, ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ, ಕೊರಿಯಾಂಡರ್, ಸಾಂಬಾರ್, ಮಿಂಟ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ.
ಮಿಂಟ್
chutney. Okay, so first we are going to try mint chutney. Let's see. So this has also spice level indication here. So it says medium spiced. It's only two levels. So I think it shouldn't be that spicy. And it also says that goes amazing with chaat, samosa, pakora and sandwich. So yeah, mint chutney, obviously we usually eat it with samosa or any chaat item. But let's see how it is. ಈ ಥರ ಡಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆ ಪಾನಿಪುರಿಗೆ ತಿಂತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಸಮೋಸಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಂತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪೌಡರ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪೌಡರ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಇಟ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ how it looks. This is dry powder. This is how all of the chutneys come as. So this is mint chutney. We can literally get the proper mint smell. So what we are going to do now is taste this. So all you have to do is add water. We're adding some water here. I think almost say quarter glass, and we're mixing it. The moment you start mixing it, can you see like it just forms a paste? I think we can add some more water. Yeah, mix ಮಾಡು. ಸರಿ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಿಡಿತದೆ ನೀರು. ಶಿ ಡಸಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತದೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನೀರು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದಿನ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಿಡಿತದೆ. So I think we poured almost half a tumbler in this glass. I'll torso. Mix ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. I think, see, this is the consistency we've gotten now. It's it's a paste kind of a thing, but you can still add more water and make it into a liquid consistency if you want. So we're going to add some more of it. Mix. I think now it's perfect. So exactly half a tumbler in this glass. So half a glass of water is what we have added. I think now it's in the right form. Manchura. Yes, so we've got the consistency now. So this is the final paste that we've got. So if you can see, this is how it looks, and it smells too good. The mint flavor is really, it's enhanced and we can smell it. So what we'll do now is we'll make all of these into a paste and then do the taste testing one by one, because this is going to take some time. So I've opened the tomato chutney and this is how it looks. It's a red color, orangish paste, and this is how the coriander chutney looks. Smell hange bartade olle. Tomato olle. It's peanut alla, and this is the peanut chutney. So we're going to mix all of it now. We have mixed all the powders and our chutneys are ready. ಅಮ್ಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದೋಸೆ ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋನಾ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ದ ದೋಸಾ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಚಟ್ನೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ದ ಚಟ್ನೀಸ್ ನಾವು. ಅನೇತೆ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಚುಚ್ಚರಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಲ್ 4 ಚಟ್ನೀಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ದೋಸಾ ರೆಡಿ. ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿ.
ರೆಡಿ. ನಾ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಬೇಡ. ಬರೀ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು?
ಕೊರಿಯಾಂಡರ್, ಮಿಂಟ್.
ತಿಂದು ತೋರಿಸ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮಿಂಟ್.
ಮಿಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಉಂಟಾ?
ನಿಜ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉಂಟು.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉಂಟಾ? ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಡ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ತಗೋ. ಹಾಂ, ಇದೆಂತ?
ಪೀನಟ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉಂಟಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೋ, ಆಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ.
ಕೊರಿಯಾಂಡರ್.
ಹಾಂ,
ಕೊರಿಯಾಂಡರ್.
ಓಕೆ. So far the review has been good. Let's see. Last.
ಟೊಮೆಟೊ.
ಟೊಮೆಟೊ.
ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ? ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ರೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್?
ರೇಟ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಉಂಟು.
ಓಕೆ, ಇದು 4
ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್.
ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್. ತಿನ್ಬೋದು. ಇದೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಬೇಡ, ನಾನು
ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಬೇಡ.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಾಗ
ಈ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 10.
ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 10 9.
1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಎಂತದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್?
9.9 ಕೊಟ್ಟೋದು.
ಓಕೆ, ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊರಿಯಾಂಡರ್.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊರಿಯಾಂಡರ್ಗೆ 8.
ಓಕೆ, 8. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀನಟ್
9.
ಓಹೋ. ಮಿಂಟ್
8.5.
8.5. 1.5 ಯಾಕೆ ಕಟ್?
ನಂಗೆ ಇದೆರಡು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸೇರಿತು.
ಅದೆರಡು ತುಂಬ ಸೇರಿತು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ mom's list is tomato chutney. Personally, even I like the tomato chutney. It is like exactly how you make it at home. So tomato is first as per me as well. I have already tasted all of these. So this is the review as per my mom. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ದಿವಸ ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ.
ನನಗೂ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಇತ್ತು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡು, இனிமே நான் வந்து சட்னி பண்ண மாட்டேன். இந்த டப்பா தான் இனிமே வீட்டில் வரும். இதுதான் ಚಟ್ನಿ ನಮ್ಮ வீட்டில். ಓಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡು. ಈಗ 1 ಡಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್? 30 grams ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಸ್?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಒಂದು 4 ಜನ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು.
4 ಜನ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು. 1 ಡೇಗೆ 1 ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ 4 ಜನ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು 1 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡು. 75. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪೋಯ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ 5 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ 296. 30 grams packet on Big Basket is 55 rupees.
What?
1 box ke 55. So 1 breakfast ke, if you are like 3 people or 4 people, like if someone who has chutney I mean who has dosa with the chutney, then you can eat. For people who eat chutney with the dosa, then no. So 30 grams, I think it's reasonable. Alva 40. The peanut chutney is 40 grams actually. Bere ella 30 grams. Peanut chutney is 40 grams. This is Andhra style palli chutney. The peanut chutney is Andhra style palli chutney. Tomato chutney is Madras street style red chutney. Best. Coriander chutney, evergreen South Indian coriander chutney. So 55 rupees. There's one last thing which we need to taste, which is the sambar. So let's see how it looks. Yellow color. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉಂಟು. ಹಿಂಗದು ಇದರದ್ದು ಪರಿಮಳ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
And this is Tamil Nadu style sambar. I think idರಲ್ಲಿ you can add lot more water than the chutney.
ಹೌದು.
Yeah. So it's ಸಾಕು. So this is the consistency that we have got for the sambar. I think this looks good enough. Okay, now let's taste the sambar. ಇದು ನಾನು ಸಹ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ?
ಬೇಡ, ಇದರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್. ಸರಿ ಹಾಕು. Okay, we're tasting the sambar now. ಸಾಕು ನೀನು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Okay. I'm taking one more bite because I couldn't taste it much in the first bite. Okay. Chutney compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ okay.
ಓಕೆ. ನನಗೂ
I'll maybe a 5 out of 10. It dal ಹಂಗುಂಟು.
ಹೌದು.
It doesn't taste like sambar. More of a dal ಅಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್.
ನನಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಚಟ್ನಿ. ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲೇ ನಂಗೆ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. So this is the review. Now what we're going to do is we're going to call Papa. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ we're just going to make him taste everything and guess the flavor. ಓಕೆ, ಅಡಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಅಂತ. ಬೇಗ
ಚಟ್ನಿದ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್
ತರಕಾರಿ, ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಚಟ್ನಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಮಿಂಟಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸರಿ,
పొట్టు కడಲೆ.
పొట్టు కడಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್.
ಪೀನಟ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ.
ಮಿಂಟ್.
ಇದು ಮಿಂಟ್, ಅದು ಮಿಂಟ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ರಾಂಗ್.
ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ.
Correct. Chutney, he has guessed it correctly, but this one we didn't order last time as well. So, ಇದೊಂದು ಏನಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. We should have done a blind test, so then he wouldn't have guessed easily.
ತೂರ್ ದಾಲ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ.
ತೂರ್ ದಾಲ್ ಚಟ್ನಿಯಾ?
ತೊಗರಿಬೇಳೆ.
ತೊಗರಿಬೇಳೆ ಚಟ್ನಿ. ತೊಗರಿಬೇಳೆ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ?
ಹೆಸರು
ತೊಗರಿಬೇಳೆ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಹೆಸರು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಚಟ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಂಬಾರು.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸಾಂಬಾರ್, ಮಡ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್.
ಮಡ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್, ಅದು ತೊಗರಿಬೇಳೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತಾ? ಬಂತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ.
ಇದು ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ,
ತೋವೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ 5 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ತಿಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 10?
ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಟೊಮೆಟೊ 8.
ಓಕೆ. 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಂತಕ್ಕೆ?
ಎಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ
ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್?
ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು,
ಎಂತ
ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 9.9 ಕೊಟ್ಲು. ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ಇದು 9.9.
ಯಾವುದು? ಮಿಂಟಾ? ಓ, ಮಿಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ.
ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ 7, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಲು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇದು ಓಕೆ.
ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್
ಇದು
ಫಸ್ಟ್
ಮಿಂಟು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತಕಾಲಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪೀನಟ್
ಅಂಡ್ ತೂರ್ ದಾಲ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ.
ಅದು
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನಲ್. ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಡಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು?
80. ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು?
ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇದು ಪೀನಟ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಾತ್ರ 40 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ 30 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ 25 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಡಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಟ್?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಟ್?
ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಟ್
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ.
ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು?
45 rupees.
45 ರುಪೀಸಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ?
45 ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. 55 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಒಂದು ಡಬ್ಬಿ. ಬರ್ತಾ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು ಅದು?
ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಡಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು? ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥವ್ರ ಚಟ್ನಿನ ಮುಳುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನೋರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 55 ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಈ ನಾನು ಅಮಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ದು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ 2 ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡೇಸ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 55 ವರ್ತ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು.
1 ಡೇಸ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ
ಸಾಕು,
ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸಾಕು ನಂಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
Bye.
We have come to the end of this video, and if you guys like this video, please do drop a comment and also please do subscribe. This was fun doing this with mom, dad. So according to me, I think this dabba for 2 people is worth it. For 55 bucks, you can definitely go for it. It would easily last for 2 days, I think, like if you're using it only for breakfast. So according to me, if you ask me the ratings, my topmost would be the tomato chutney. It's amazing. Second, I would rate the peanut chutney, and third, wait, I didn't taste the coriander actually. I think third mint chutney, and last would be coriander chutney for me. And the dal, so and the sambar, I still can't register it that it is a sambar. It has, it didn't click for me. So 5 out of 10, like I said earlier. Definitely a no. Sambar is a huge no. The chutneys, yes, definitely you can try it out. I think it's available in Bangalore as well. You can check it out on their site or page, maybe, I don't know. But this one I ordered from Big Basket in Chennai. And yes, so if you like this video, please do like and drop a comment. Tell us what you would like to see in the next part, and we will review the same. I will review it with my mom and dad in the next video. So thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. We are close to 10,000 subscribers, and I hope you guys will make that happen. Thank you for supporting me and this journey until now, and I hope you guys will continue to support. Thank you so much, and bye bye.